Hello and welcome, fellow automobile enthusiasts. We're at the Concorso d'Eleganza Villa d'Este 2023, and boy, do we have a treat for you. The BMW Group is unveiling the world premiere of their exclusive, one-of-a-kind BMW Concept Touring Coupé. This masterpiece follows the legendary lineage of BMW classics, symbolizing the joy of traveling and the freedom of the open road. Reimagining the traditional body shape of a sports car, BMW design has bestowed upon this vehicle a distinct shooting brake concept. But that's not all. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by meticulously crafted leather surfaces from none other than the Italian manufacturer, Poltrona Frau. But this car isn't just about aesthetics. It also offers functionality, with ample room behind the seats for luggage, perfect for those spontaneous road trips. And speaking of luggage, the bespoke pieces are custom-made at the famed Schedoni leather workshop in Modena. Positioned in the grand historical context of automotive masterpieces, the BMW Concept Touring Coupé is a tribute to the timeless allure of the automobile. As Domagoj Dukic, the head of BMW design, puts it, this highly emotional vehicle celebrates the original sheer driving pleasure. This beauty combines a traditional body concept with the technology of a purist modern-day sports car. With its proportions and name, it brings back memories of the BMW 328 Touring Coupé that conquered the Mille Miglia endurance race back in 1940. Its functionality nods to the BMW 02 series model variants of the early 1970s. Let's talk design. The sculpted rear end is a highlight, accentuating the car's athletic shoulders. From the side, the elongated window graphic and flared rear wheel arches underline its sporty elegance. The bespoke sparkling Lario exterior paintwork creates a unique depth, with embedded blue glass flakes in gray-brown hues. Accents of silver bronze, a specially designed BMW kidney grille, and exclusive light alloy wheels and 20-spoke radial design. This car is the embodiment of elegant sportiness. Now, let's step inside. Divided into two distinct color segments, the interior exudes both comfort and concentration. High-quality craftsmanship and attention to detail shine through in precise perforations and braided leather straps. Last but not least, the custom-made luggage set from the Schedoni leather workshop is a perfect addition. Consisting of two large and one small weekender bags, plus a garment bag, they're the perfect companions for any journey. And there you have it. The BMW Concept Touring Coupé, a one-of-a-kind model that truly captures the essence of sheer driving pleasure. Stay tuned for more exciting updates from the Concorso d'Eleganza Villa d'Este 2023.